Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on order of operation, and we can say Pemdas, and also we can say the Bodmas. So 3 plus 3 divide 3 minus 3. You can see the the answer is not 0. So how we will get the answer 0? Because 0 answer is not right answer. 0 answer is wrong answer. So how to get 0? When we not apply the method according to order of operation and according to Pemdas. So here we first solve the 3 plus 3 divide 3 is 1 and minus 3. Okay, 3 minus 3. So here 3 plus 1 is 4 and minus 3 is equal to 1. So on this step on this step first we simplify the plus, because according to Pemdas left to right solution. So 3 plus 1 is 4, minus 3 is equal to 1. So you can see this, our right answer is 1 and this is 0 is wrong answer. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.